In 6.4, we're talking about natural logarithms. We're talking about E, all right, and interest formulas. First of all, the compound interest formula. P. P is the principal. That's your starting amount, okay? Principal. That might be a little thick of a marker. That's your principal, okay? How much you put into the account at the beginning. R stands for rate. Typically, that will be given as a percentage, and you need to turn it into a decimal, okay? N is the number of times you're compounding interest per year. Interest is compounded per year. Kind of hard to read on there. Okay, so if interest is compounded quarterly, what's N? Okay, it's raised to the NT power. Again, N is the number of times you've compounded interest per year, and T is the number of years. Okay? Number of years. So you're going to put it to the exponent of basically the number of times you've compounded interest. All right? Annual yield, Y equals E to the rate power written as a decimal minus 1. I had to record that for people that aren't here, which is nobody. Hey Simon, how's it going? Hope you're feeling better there, buddy. Hope you're learning this at home, and anybody else that's sick. But Y equals the log base E of X is the same thing as the natural log of X. That's what natural log is. Okay, so that means that the inverse, if you were to do the circle method on natural log of X, you'd get this exponential function, X equals E to the Y power. And I'll show you Y here. Does anybody want to see Y? Anybody want to see?
Is that ln or 1n?
ln. Yeah, it's kind of tough to see, but it's natural log is ln. Pull this over here. Natural log of X, that's the same thing as Y equals log base E of X. If I pull circle method on Y equals log base E of X, I start at the E, I go which way?
Left.
I go left this way because I wrote Y first. So this becomes E to the Y power equals X. So that's how I get this. Okay, they're inverses of each other. All right? And you're almost there for the yield.